Hello and welcome to Colayla video 4a, creating views. In the last video we have seen what is a view in Colayla. We have seen that this is the default view, and if you type here .xml you get the XML view. If you type .s you get the S view. Each view in Colayla is based on a view SEM. And these standard views are here in Solbase. So if you see solbase.def, then you see view map, view JSON, view XML, view S. These are all the views which we have seen in the last video. If you edit, you can see the source code behind, for example, behind the XML. But now we want to create our own view. We want to create .id in this video. .id should give us all the ID of the SEMs on the page. So if I see a page and I want to know what are the IDs of all these 4 SEMs here, I can type .id, and so I would get the SEMs here. For this we need a ID view, so ID view underscore ID, and if you see the temple of view, you see that view has 5 shapes. Basically, one to define what is written in the beginning of the page, then what is written at the end of the page, what is written in the beginning of a SEM, at the end of a SEM, and what is written if the SEM doesn't exist. So what we want to do for our ID view is we want to write the title in page pre, and we want to write the ID in SEM pre. So we edit. At the start of the page we write out an h1 tag plus the SEM ID plus h1 closed, and then maybe we do so it becomes a title IDs in and then the SEM ID. Then we don't write anything at the end of the page for now, but we write it here before a SEM. Here we do it in a little bit longer way because we might need the S later. But basically we want to write out the div tag, then plus s.lid, lid, layer ID, plus the div tag closed. And if the SEM doesn't exist at all, we write, to display if the SEM doesn't exist, we write another div tag, this SEM does not exist. So why would it be in the page if it doesn't exist? Well, the example is if a SEM has a reference to a child SEM which is not existent, for example. Okay, so we submit that, and what do we see in our view? Okay, IDs in HTML news, and then before each SEM it just writes out the ID. Now it would be convenient if we can go to these SEMs with a click. For this we need to fill in an A tag. href is equal to s.lid .id, and the A tag closed. So, and the video is almost over. Yes, it works. Thank you.